Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2380th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Please like, share, and subscribe to these videos. It will help me help other people out there. And if you subscribe, you'll know when the next video is coming out. So this video being filmed on Wednesday for trading on Thursday. That would be March 3rd, 2022. Before we get started, please remember the inherent risk in trading, futures, stocks, options, you name it. Never, ever trade without stops. Never trade without risk capital that you can lose. And always put your stops in first. So, traders, my apologies. I absolutely have planned or had planned doing a video this evening with me out in front of the camera. But markets are moving and things are happening, and I've got to get this out right now, and my editor won't be here for another 3 hours. So let me get this video out to you. Dow Jones Daily Bar. Here's a technique that I used last time we had a major drop. This whole drop happened. We had the down day, and I went, oh, this is a four-legged Gann bottom, and I called it, and boom, we went. And everybody was like, Oscar, nice technique, very cool, good time to call it. Well, you know what? It worked this time over here. It worked this time over here. It worked the last big drop we had. And looky, there's another one right here after what? A big drop. So I am going to say this is very possibly a four-legged Gann bottoming day. Not that it's bottom forever. It might go up for a few days. And OMNI has turned green. So we are going to buy a really decent dip. It's got to be a deep dip for us to get long, but we will be getting long Dow Jones, NASDAQ, Russell, whatever we can get filled in, but it's got to be a very deep dip to prove to me that this Gann four-legged bottom is real. So I just thought I'd bring it to your attention, and don't forget, we've been rallying since we crashed into this big gun average that I use every now and then. It's rare that I ever break it out. It's got to take a monstrous move for that to happen. It did. I brought it out, and boom, we hit the bottom. I showed it to you that day, and so far so good, right? So let's see what's going to happen there. And there's one more thing. This is why it had to be so timely. There's this. This is the silver market. I realize crude is through the roof, and there's no reason for the stock market to go up. So we're expecting it to go up for a day or two. And there's no reason why silver should come down. But I am here to say it is a double top. And when we see a double top, we sell a double top. And this is a double top. And this says daily, but my apologies. Oh, it is on the daily. We see a double top. We sell a double top. And we expect this to work. So we're going to look for maybe selling the highs or some rally in silver and see if it'll come down to show us that the double top is going to work. Traders, you can find me at livewithoscar.com in my free live trading room. No credit cards are required. Come huddle with me. It's what I call my electronic trading pit that I've opened since 2006 when I left the floors. And I'm there every day. Come hang out with me. And remember, stops are in. Emotions are out. Traders, I brought this to you early because silver is setting up right now. So take a look at it for yourselves and let me know what you think.